Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the glass pristine. This is critical because any dust traps and ruins the cure. Once cleaned with 90% plus alcohol and a lint-free cloth, move to a dust-free table and open the room for 10-15 minutes to settle particles. You shake the bottle to mix the formula, remove the cap, and prepare the dropper. Then you apply the first measured drops in a grid across the screen, small, evenly spaced beads, to ensure full coverage before spreading. This jumpstarts adhesion and chemical bonding. Once the droplets are on, you spread the liquid with the supplied applicator or a clean microfiber pad using gentle circular strokes so the film self-levels. You do not press hard because excess pressure forces liquid out and creates uneven thickness. Make 4 equal sections and fully cover each one before moving to the next. After spreading, make sure to let the solution rest and self-level for about 60-90 seconds per section, so the solvent evaporates and the active molecules orient for a uniform cure. You finish by gently wiping any excess from edges with a clean microfiber, then place the device somewhere flat and dry to cure undisturbed for 12-24 hours. Temperature and humidity affect cure speed, so make sure it's between 20-25 degrees and low humidity. Once cured, inspect for bubbles. Most small ones disappear within 24 hours. If you see permanent marks or patches that don't level, clean the area and reapply that section, or consult a professional applicator as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.